Hi guys, today I'm here with a new product for my GT650. So this is AEW's Megaphone TE102 exhaust. So let's quickly open it and see the product inside. So AEW makes two types of exhaust for GT650. One is TE101 and the other is TE102. And TE102 is little bulkier and comes with this heat shield which conceals the silencer mounts, thus enhancing the look of your motorcycle. But if you happen to buy this, you have to pay 2000 extra for this silencer. And coming back to why I chose AEW over its other competitors, it's just because of its sound. So now let's quickly install this on my motorcycle and see how it sounds. So AEW's exhaust are very much lighter compared to the stock exhaust. So let's quickly see how it sounds on GT650. This is how stock exhaust sounds. Yes, it definitely enhances the performance of a motorcycle, but many riders may not feel it the moment they hop onto it. But if you happen to see it on a technical chart, then yes, you will definitely see a difference in the output performance. And if you happen to buy this exhaust, I would suggest you to buy it directly from the website, as they don't charge any extra money for the delivery. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.